So how much does a water heater actually cost?
The answer is pretty straightforward. It could be around $1,000 if you plan on doing the work yourself. However, it may void the manufacturer's warranty if it's not installed by a licensed professional, and it might not be up to code. Alternatively, for a few $1,000s, you can get a modern water heater installed by a trained technician that can provide you with some great options. Technology is rapidly changing, and because of that, the cost of your water heater can become a bit more complicated. Prices change, so what's the value? What's the cost of saving a few dollars on the front end? It can be more than what you're expecting. Standard water heaters can be the second most energy consuming appliance in your home. If you can invest in efficiency, you'll see real money on the other end. Sometimes this could save you hundreds or thousands of dollars depending on your use.
Oh, so it's up to me to decide how much my water heater costs.